Hello, what's up, guys? We're here at Davidson High School, Davidson, Michigan. I was telling you last Wednesday, May 15th, I was say I'm sorry be late for videos updating for graduate. Um, graduate, I mean, I was sleepy for afternoon because I try to open my eyes cause slowly closing my eyes everything they need to let out on my room bed. Sometimes Dylan is sleep right now, guys. So she tried to do color his hair every night. Um, My grandmama Williams passed away already, so I'm doing bad sometimes. So next Wednesday, graduate in Thunderstorm was danger weather. Storm Trigger 12. Yeah. Follow me Instagram, Fogo, Snapchat, at Facebook, and subscribe, notification, comment, like, and share. I'll see you next Monday morning. Have a good night, everyone.